What's going on there, puppers? Do we see a tractor? Do we see a garlic patch right beside the raspberry patch and the strawberry? Oh, and a wife. And a strawberry patch, which is connected to the pumpkin squash patch, which is not doing super hot. Probably because I planted this in grass. World's tiniest pumpkins. It's going to be a very small Halloween celebration this year. Very small. This is my masterpiece right here. I did nothing. That was all the wife, as usual. And a tiny little pumpkin. Oh, look, garlic. This is what we came for.
Nice big cloves of garlic.
They're huge, and they're from where?
Yorkton, Saskatchewan.
Flat Saskatchewan, everybody. Look at my leaves. Quite the haul. Again, you did that, not me. What do we do with these here garlic pieces?
So, Darren, you read that we're supposed to plant them about 4 inches deep. I was told to plant them about wrist deep. So, pointy end up and putting them, I guess that's a little bit less than wrist deep there.
Hold on a second. So they go all the way in there?
Yeah.
All the way in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. Do we know how long it takes to make garlic?
If you're planting them from cloves like this, it's like we'll be harvesting them in the summer, but if you're planting from seed, it's 2 years.
Holy moly, well I'm glad it's only going to be summertime because it's very much fall time right now. I'll show you guys something really cool about the tractor too, just in case garlic people also like tractors. So this is a toolbox, and in here we got a case sticker because it's not even a case, it's a Ferguson. And then we have a joke for the wife over here who's laughing at me. So let's see what we can do here. What do you call this?
What?
Is it perhaps maybe a tool?
Sure.
As you could say. And what is this weird old lady curtains called? Also a tool?
Yeah.
What am I?
On the counter.
Are we digging more holes?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to dig enough holes for these garlics.
And we have 60. So
60 garlics?
They're supposed to be spaced about 6 inches apart, Darren.
That's a lot of garlics, Dot.
6 inches apart, about 4 inches deep for our area, of course area dependent. And this is hard neck garlic, and it's music variety.
Music variety, is that why it's purple? Purple haze. Doop doop doo. Yeah, really.
Anyway, what are you gonna do with those leaves?
Well, the leaves, so I'm told, are insulation that go under this here fabric, tool. And we make like a nice comforter. Got to keep them all snug over the winter time because it gets cold here in Nova Scotia, don't you know? Over them there winters. So, right, W?
No, this is exciting though.
It is exciting. It's going to be really cool. I hope it works out really well. The soil here, it's not a lot of clay, it's just a lot of dirt. And we have brown dirt over here in Nova Scotia, although PEI is that way.
These pumpkins did awful. The tomatoes we just threw in the ground did pretty well.
Tomatoes did pretty well. They sure did. And we brought in soil for these strawberries over here. They took off like crazy and did very, very well. So that was kind of cool.
I was thinking maybe we could use the strawberries that I clipped off the other day as mulch if we need a little bit more. Because it's just supposed to be like leaves, grass clippings.
Definitely. Yeah, leaves and grass clippings and peat moss. We had all kinds of raspberries this year, and over there where W is, we had a heck of a lot of blueberries. Like we got what, like how many pounds of blueberries do you think we got off that bush?
I have no idea.
Like I picked a 7-pound bucket how many times? Like at least twice, and then you picked a bunch and your mom and
Million.
yeah, the baby too. Anyways, this is garlic. Hopefully we have an exciting second feature in the springtime or summer.
Feature.
Yeah, like episode 2.
Oh,
Like Star Wars.
right.
All right. Maximum effort. Do you know who built this carry-out box by chance?
No.
I guess we can also add to this too. Oh, you're still here. That is how you garlic patch. And cut.